to show you guys how to fix a door hinge, because I haven't seen any of these online. It looks like my hinge is broken here. It won't stay stationary. It'll just either open all the way or close. So what you have to do is first you want to pull this plastic out right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get in here with my screwdriver and I'm going to pull this back. Okay. Alright, just pull it back. It should come out fairly easy. There you go. You get right here. Go and yank it out. There's going to be a retaining clip down there. You can just put your screwdriver right here. Just kind of twist it and it'll come out. There you go. It's out. Just pull it. Boom. There we go. And how you take this pin out, what I did, how I take this pin out right here is I put this chisel right under here and I just hammer it. I don't really have too much space to hammer it with just a hammer, so I'm going to use this chisel and I'll be back. So bam, the pin came out. It sits on the top like that and it just pops out. Boom. As you can see, my hinge broke. I'm gonna get into this door. How you can take this door off is there's 1, 2, 3 Phillips, and then they're all held on by clips. So how you take this out is I grab a pick tool, basically just slide it under, just pry it out, go around the corners, careful not to damage it. Once you pull it out, it's going to be harness. Just unclip the harness. So the clip comes out, basically you just pop it off. Bam. So as you take this piece off, what you want to do is you want to push it this way. What you could do, take a screwdriver right here and just pop it off. Alright, so what I did is I took a screwdriver and put it between here, just put it in the back, just push it. It should come out fairly lightly. Don't hit it too hard, you'll break it. Just slide it off. Bam. It looks like somebody was in here before and they broke the clip, so oh well. Okay, so now this door panel is connected by clips all around the border. Just go slowly, get close to the clips and just pop them out. Okay, there's a screw right in there, so don't miss it. 1, 2, 3. So to pop this piece off, what you do, pull it forward. See how there's a clip right there? Boom. And then you just push this forward because it's connected to the bottom. Push here and pop it up, and it's off. All right, you can pop all the clips. And just remember to take this off first. Just unscrews counterclockwise. You just pull it up and away. Okay, here's the inside of the door once I popped it out. Yours probably doesn't look like this. This looks like it's been done before. Just peel it back and you can get you that. Just peel it back. And then there's gonna be 2 10s right over here. Once you take it off, you can just pull it off from the back. Perfect. Got those 2 10s out. And you can just reach in this hole and grab it. See what it looks like. As you can see, mine is jacked up. Here is a good one, and here is a bad one. Okay. Alright, and you just put everything back in the reverse order. Okay, so what I had to do to put that thing back in was unscrew this window track. It's a 10mm, and I just slid it out of the way. So when you're putting this in, make sure you guys are putting this arm in the right direction. It should look like this way. Yeah, it should look like this way. Don't forget to put this plastic back. And then, yeah, 2 10s. Put that pin back in, and the locking nut. Alright, hammer that pin back in. Remember, don't forget that clip in the bottom. Then you can just slide this dust boot over. Bam. The weather stripping. Perfect. Looks good. Test it. Hello. Done. Perfect. Now it has a door stop. Boom. Perfect. So happy.